except you didn't trade yesterday, except, okay, so let's look at the market. Um, except you didn't trade yesterday, but before I open the chart, let me just quickly say this boldly, to encourage any type of trader and to give you perspective of trading. The reason a lot of people find it hard to really be consistent in trading, and even when you start having hard times, you don't know how to come out of your hard times, is because you don't understand the cycle of the market. All right. Let me give you guys a clue of market cycle. Put market cycle on chart. A trader that is trading without a clue of market cycle, okay, you are bound to be a victim of your losses. All right. Your losses are not going to be learning for you. They are going to be tribulations that are not trials. Okay. You'll be a victim. You will now be a victim of your losses, because when you lose, you're supposed to learn. But when you don't learn from your losses, it becomes a tribulation. You are now facing a horror of ignorance because you don't understand simple market cycle. Okay. So are you guys ready to know what market cycles are from me? Okay. Let me just give you a clue of what market cycle are as a trader. Let me know in the chat. Market cycle. Put market cycle on chat. Because as a trader, if you understand market cycle, okay, it's going to give you a glimpse. A lot of people cannot do proper risk management well if you don't understand market cycle, because you're going to be beating blue black. Okay. The market is going to come to your book and your journal and cancel it. Say, get out of here. All right. How many of you the market has rubbish your journal? Put 10 on the chat. It's like your journal. Well, every time you're trying to follow your journal or your risk management regime, the markets keep messing you up. You guys are not talking to me. All right. Are you guys shy? So let me give you guys a key. You want to trade. So when you understand market cycle, you know your strategy. So there's a strategy for consolidation. Market is ranging. There's a strategy for breakout. That's a concept of trading. There's a strategy, all right, for correction. Okay. There's a strategy for reversals. And there's a strategy for distribution. Are you guys following? So there's ranging. When market is ranging, market is deciding. There are not really volume or deciders or momentum in the market when market is ranging. So whenever you find, I'm going to show you guys in the chart. So whenever you find market ranging, market is deciding. You cannot swing on range. If you're trading a swinging strategy, it doesn't make sense when the market is ranging, except it was moving before it started ranging. So imagine you're trying to look for a swing opportunity when market is ranging, because why? You don't even know what the market is going to decide. So before you try to swing or find momentum in the market, all right, there's a strategy for momentum. Okay. Now, whenever the market ranges, it breaks. And whenever it breaks, the harder the range, the stronger the breakout. And the deeper the move. So there's a strategy for breakout. Okay, so that's another cycle of the market. So whenever it ranges, it's a cycle. Whenever it breaks out, it's a cycle. Then if it breaks out, it's going somewhere, means decision have been made. So hear this. If the breakout is strong away from the range, it will correct. Do you guys get that? So I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to tell you how to find a trade on EU today and GU, because I told you guys that it was going to work. It was going to distribute. It was going to come back. How many of you got into GU and EU and you made money? All right. Put EU and GU. I told you it was going to come back to that area, okay, where it peaked from. That we missed out. I told you guys it was too early, but it's going to come back. It did. It came back. And after it's coming back, what did it do? It distributed. Okay. So if you know that strategy, you're going to know how to make money from that strategy. Am I making sense? But if you don't know, you're just going to be looking at candles and sentiments, or you're just going to be trying to manipulate the market. So the next thing is, where is it? The moment market distributes, guess what? If market corrects, okay, wait out for distribution. That's next cycle. After distribution setting momentum. It's bad to trade any other strategy except reversals. So reversals is the next cycle after distribution. Okay. Oh wow, I see a big candle. What's the time? 9:15. Is there news on 9:15? Why is it big candle? Okay. Wow. Is there news? Are you guys following? Okay. So I gave you guys ranging. I gave you guys breakouts. Okay. Then if the breakouts are big, okay, watch out for what? Correction. Okay. Then distribution. Then reversals. Did you guys learn something from that? All right, put 5 on the chat. So I think we are there right now. I can actually stream. Okay, so for those of you that are on Instagram here right now, if you're not comfortable with Instagram because you're not going to make money with me live, except I call the trade and you're hearing it. So I'm just going to copy the link to this live right now. Did you guys learn anything from what I just shared with you? What I did? I should come again. What? So how many did I mention? How many cycles did I mention? Let me know. Let me know if you guys got that. Okay. How many cycles did I mention if you got that? Very simple code. It's a code that I'm learning to follow. I wish I knew what I just told you guys. No, I knew, but I didn't pay attention. And it has destroyed some of my growth. But I've learned because I observe. I have enough money to observe the market. So when I lose, I learn. Okay. Just obey market cycle. When it's ranging, don't trade your swing opportunity. Don't look for concept when market is ranging. Okay. Don't even look for fib concept. It's not working. It's going to be cutting you out because why? The market is not moving. There's no message in the market. Okay. But when market breaks out, how big is the breakout? Okay. That's how big the reversal is going to be. Then if the breakout is short, watch out for correction and distribution. That's what happened yesterday. So right about now, let's get into okay. Okay. Let me just see the sentiment. So let me set up. Oh, Bitcoin is back to 67,000. Key. I told you guys. Okay. Let me leave that. I'm super excited to see Bitcoin at 67. AUD is strong right now. Euro is now weak. Card, USD card. I don't like the USD card in the morning. So I'm going to set up binary right now. So while I am going to be explaining the other things that I've said, because I know you guys are interested in this knowledge, I also want to make money in binary. So for I trade between now and 9:30, I want to set up. So I'm trying to see what I'm going to trade. I've copied the link for you guys here. But for those of you that are very good in listening, okay, so that's the link to my Zoom right now. Okay, so let's see. Before I even like to look at the chart in binary, I always like to look at the sentiment. Okay, that is if there is no news. Okay. Wow, even this morning there is news by 9. There was news by 9 o'clock. So okay, I guess hence why I saw that. That's CHF. So 9:30, there's going to be news on GBP. Come on. Okay, so we may have an interference by 9:30. So we'll watch out. We'll just look out for that. But aside that, we have GBP strong. AUD strong. So AUD JPY is going to be good for a brush up right now. So let's look at AUD JPY. AUD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD JPY. Okay. Okay, AUD JPY is going to buy. It's almost, I think it's almost at the place where it's going to buy right now. If we look at it critically, let's check. Don't run away. So it's almost going to buy. Okay, so let's see if it's going to come to, let's see if it's going to draw down to 0.13 area. That's going to be a spot for a buy. 0.13 and may not get there. It may actually start going back from here. If it goes back from here, it means it's not ready. Okay, because nothing is holding it here. Something is going to be good here because this is an hourly break. 007 to 0013 AUD JPY buy for 5 minutes. If we can wait for it on timing, it's going to be a whole lot better on timing. But if it is not, you could start using smaller risk. Okay, smaller risk till it gets to It's almost looking like it's going to get there now. So what I do when I trade is at 0.13. Just okay. Let's see. So normally times are better when you trade on timing. Okay. So it's 10 minutes to timing. So any trade you're taking before timing, always abbreviate your risk. Means use small risk. Come on, don't run away. Don't run away. I just said you've not gotten to 0.13. Ow. This guy's trying to run away. He's trying to run away. He's running away. Oh! It will only take a fast finger that is reckless, epileptic to have gotten that one. All right. I actually got to 0.14. Come on, you're a thief. Stop playing with our emotion that comes. So let's just see if it's going to come back. If it doesn't come back, then that guy is gone already. All right. So, and it's not my fault. Okay. So this is another one. Euro USD. Euro USD. We shouldn't be back. We should be. What are we doing in Euro USD? Euro USD. Euro USD is stronger than USD. Euro. They're both flat right now. So let's shift. Okay, let's pick a card pair now. Card what? Card USD. Okay, let's see card USD. Okay, I think this guy is coming back. Okay, let's see. Card USD. Oh, there's no card USD, it's USD card. I don't like USD card. Okay. Cameron, why don't you like USD card? It's somehow not obedient. Okay. It's my USD card. You guys watch out for that boy. If you hear my alarm, he's there. Okay. Take it with light risk because it's not yet on timing. We still have 7 minutes timing, but I'm going to take it anyway. Yeah, AUDJPY. It's just playing with our emotions. Come on, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Here's my USD card. Oh, sorry, guys. What happened? What happened? Okay, I think, is it there? My alarm is not, okay. Are you get, come on, hit it and let's get out. So we got 1 more minute for this time. Don't run away. I perceive that this guy is going to run away. He's going to break this area. And if he breaks this area, this is where I'm going to wait for it. So at the close of the candle, if you feel like your finger is putting too much pressure on you, you can actually take the light risk. Okay. At the close of the candle around here, don't go and take it up here. It's not a good one. I perceive this guy is gonna take this break. I'm perceiving it somehow. I have mixed feelings. One more minute to go. USD card, where are you now? Why am I looking for you like this? Okay, so USD card is gonna sell. This guy, USD card. This guy is running away again. The trade is arrogant. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's pewatting. It's doing the pewat move. Stubborn. Okay. Did anybody get in? I know when markets are so close like that, one pipette away, some people's finger cannot just hold it. USD card is looking very promising on where it is right now. USD card. What's wrong? I'm going to take a light risk on USD card in 12 seconds. At 803, the 821 to 803 looks very, very promising. USD card. I don't know if I'm too early, but it looks good. Though I told you guys I don't really like USD card. Okay, but I'm just taking it. So we have 4 more minutes to timing. So timing is actually very crucial. That guy is gone. Okay, it's gone. He did a pewat move, 1 pipette away, very stubborn. And USD card is not moving. Okay, I think USD is gaining. So if you're a very patient one, you can wait for timing. I'm already in. If you're seeing my chart right now, you see that this area is very, very good. The next area is going to be 956. So 956 sell USD card. So it's sell USD card at next area 956. Okay, that's the next sell area. I'm actually in, what did I get? 808. Yeah, so 821 is the next up. Okay, if you're not in, 821 is also good. 821 and okay, good. So let's see what timing is going to give to us. We have 3 more minutes. This guy looks like it wants to break above. So let's just wait for it. We have 3 more minutes. If you're not in, but it's at 821 right now. Okay. This is USD. Wait, USD and CAD, they're same strength. They've now become, oh, USD is not even stronger than CAD. Kendry now. Let's time it work for us. So why is this thing cheating on me? CAD USD, oh, just a little bit. It's just a little bit. So it's gonna be temptingly struggling because even the market right now is not moving. So let's just see what it does. Let's see if it does well on timing, and we clear that one out. You want to stop moving? So let's see what this guy is doing. Wow, lead our push. This trade may have a struggle. Okay, so yeah, it's pushing above. So let's see what timing is gonna do to this trade. It's gonna favor us on timing. Ah, it's going up. 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 So it's at 826. And the market is even funnily not moving. It's not having any significant move. So if you're not in right now, even if the strengths are not good, let's try our timing. Okay. Okay. Wow, look at that drop. Oh, that was purely crazy. That was purely crazy. So timing Kolewako. So God USD. So I think the switch of timing. The switch of USD is not in our favor right now. So let's clearly just let's switch our eye a bit to something else. I mean, okay. I mean, at what happened? Okay. Well, I clicked a sell, but it didn't sell me because I'm using a PC and this. So so I just got in at 868. Let's see. Though this region is a sell region, it's either it's gonna get to the 956 or it doesn't. Okay, I'm in at 868. Let's see how this plays out. But I just hope this other area. If it doesn't, then we'll leave it. Let's go look. Guys, this is still in. Don't forget this. If this guy comes here again, I'm still gonna take the trade because it didn't really touch me. So let me check the sentiment again so I don't become a victim. AUD is still strong. JPY is still backwards. I think that's a better fix than USD card. I told you guys I don't really like that guy. Okay. So do I take it out of our face? Let's check something else. But seeing that this market is going to sell very soon, it has entered a stubborn regime. Okay. I think something is really happening in the market of family. See, this guy just busted my area. Everything is just moving like, okay, 9:30, there was news on GBP. Out. I think that news is what's affecting this rigorous move that is happening right now. The news is really taking a toll on the market. So technical and this is 2 minutes out. It needs sometimes I like taking the close of the candle when they are good. Oh boy. It's dangerous though. The market is playing with my emotion. Look at what this market is doing. The market is playing with our emotion. All right. It's seriously playing with our emotion. Okay. AEDJPY is playing out well. Even if it's crazily moving like. Let me see how the candle is gonna close. One more minute to go. Guys, watch. Patience sometimes is good. It comes down a little bit or it closes where it is right now. I may want to, if this didn't just play, I may want to not get in. 56 seconds. Okay, I'll break the risk and get in now. Let's see. Come. Sheesh. If you got in, congratulations. Okay, congratulations. How many of you got in? Thirty seconds. Okay. If the news is not against us, oh boy, don't move further again. Okay, the news is not against us. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Mm. 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 Okay. Let's see if this is gonna reverse. If it doesn't reverse, all right, let's see what the next timing is gonna be. But I do know something is gonna happen in this market in the right direction. I kind of know that. Okay. I'm still waiting for 9-7. Another area for a play between now and the next timing. So we're cooking the next trade. If not here, here. Okay. 958 to 971. Let me write it out. 958 to 971 by AUDJPY for 5 minutes. So there's news. Whenever the news are like this, all right, don't get too emotional with the market. Okay. Don't get too emotional with the market whenever the news are playing out like this. So I know you guys are liking the way it's moving right now. You're telling the market, just continue to go up, please. Just continue to go up, right? How many of you are telling the market right now? Just, just continue to go up. Are you guys still seeing USD card? How many of you got in on USD card and you held it? Okay, with one rollover. That's what do you guys call this? What's the name for this? Nobody's talking in the chat. Now this is gone now. You can talk well now. The trade cannot come back and take you out now. Don't worry, you can talk well. Don't be afraid. It's gone. This what do you call this? Okay. So you guys seeing what this guy is doing? Eventually, I think he's about to really now move. So this is nobody's talking. What is happening? You guys are not talking. Are you scared? This is gone now. This pay what now? What's happening? All right. It seems if you guys are not talking, then you guys didn't take the trade. I'm kind of having a feeling. Even me, that was the late comer. All right. Okay. Even me, that was a late comer, I got in well. All right. Put cleared if you cleared. So that I cleared this area of USD card. Okay. And I cleared this area. I lost this area, but I cleared this area with a rollover, which means I got my money back here. And I actually won this. All right. But then in those days, we call it walk away. Spell out. Spell out now. Spell out is the perfect entry walk away trade. If you guys notice, all right, the timing is really key. Okay, the timing is really key. So if you got some dollars, put dollars in the chat. You guys are not encouraging me as the audience, right? I don't feel like this. So this is what I'm perceiving. You got in a couple of entry and you probably used too much risk and you got caught up, and now you're feeling sad that you lost this trade and you didn't take this trade. So right about now, you are not in the system. You are emotionally caught out. Is that what I'm perceiving? It was a fine trade, okay, that happened on timing, and that's what I was waiting for, and it happened. Okay. Yes, I got in on this trade. I lost this area. I won this area. Okay. I every time I tell you I'm getting in the market, I'm telling you I'm getting in now. I told you I got in at 868. So how many of you got in and you cleared? Let me just know before I even present another trade, another opportunity. What's time? So let me take this guy out of our face and replace it. Let's see what EJ looks like. No. You guys still want to earn money? Oh, let me switch over to Forex. Okay, Euro AUD is going to be good for ourselves. Euro AUD. You guys tell me what to do. Should we still make more money? Come on, look at distribution. Okay, I think there's going to be reversal somewhere soon. Okay, reversal is going to happen. Anybody can go set a buy limit at 1.6456. Okay, just go set a buy limit in that area. Somewhere here, all right, here, and this limit is going to buy, okay, in Forex. More money. Okay, someone says more money. But let's just focus on what we're doing here. The money in minutes first. So I got this 1 hour area. I got this 1 hour area. Let's see. Euro AUD is gonna look sweet, but I'm not sure it's gonna come back anytime pretty soon. But let's just see what it does. Euro AUD is bullish on the daily, so we shouldn't be selling. Let's see 1 hour. It's bearish. It's bearish on the 1 hour. If it's bearish in the 1 hour, it's gonna be bearish 15 minutes wise. Okay, it's bearish on the 1 hour. It's bearish 15 minutes. Okay, we can sell. All right, we can sell. But it may take a while though. It may take, guys, don't forget the next trade on AUD JPY is 958 to 971. If it does try it, slap it again. Okay. Let's see if this guy is gonna come up to. So while we're waiting on this, we're gonna wait on 985. It's gonna be good. At 985 area on Euro AUD is going to be a good price action for a continuation sell. Okay. 934 is also going to be good, but I'm not sure it's going to be ready on the strategy. Let's just see if momentum will be ready at then. So, but that is what I'm giving you guys. I hope you guys are taking it. So if stochastic comes to this area and is at 934, we may take it, but I really don't like it much. Okay, here is going to be good. So aside AUD JPY, what else is in our boot? You see USD has overtaken. AUD USD should still be good because AUD is in vogue right now. So let me see what AUD USD looks like. AUD USD is bearish. Okay, it's bullish on the 5 minutes. Okay, I think AUD USD is still at a bullish zone. So guys, let's watch. Let's watch. We may be having some struggling trades. So here is the 1 hour break. This guy is supposed to be buying where it is right now. It means if he buys here, he's going to buy for the next 15 minutes. I'm not sure it's going to get down here, but 599 is the buy area. What's the time? 45. The market should be going back now. If it's not going back now, come on, why are you struggling with me? The market should be going back now. An AUD USD. But maybe I'm late, but it should be going back now. So I want to take that trade for AUD USD. AUD USD. You can actually buy now, AUD USD. Okay, it's actually good now. I just want to confirm, but you can buy now. You're not to. Okay. This is why I want to be a little bit skeptical. USD is now on momentum more than AUD. That's a little bit of daily strength, hourly strength than AUD. So it may be consolidating in that area, but that area is actually a good area. So are we going to get in? Wait, I'm on AUD NZD. MRB, this is AUD NZD. Okay. AUD NZD. AUD NZD. That is one of my nightmare for pairs. AUD NZD. They're almost also the same, but you should buy. If you buy in this area, AUD NZD. So the number actually called out is AUD NZD. Okay, you can actually take your chances on AUD NZD. I'm not going to trade it. All right, but it should buy here. All right, so this is a spot. This is actually a spot you should buy from. So it should buy from this spot. If it doesn't break this area, this guy is going to go back. So it's AUD NZD, not AUD USD. I would have loved to see how AUD USD look like. So AUD USD is actually buying. Okay. AUD USD is actually buying. Okay, so I didn't do the analysis. Let me just see how the analysis look like. Okay, AUD USD, let's see, this is 5 minutes. This is, how many minutes is this? It's 5 minutes. Come on, bro. Yeah, this guy has betrayed you. That's betrayed. I've always suspected that market. Okay, so where's this guy? So AUD, they're all pulling down. Let's watch. They're all pulling down, which means they want to create another structure. Let's see. Let me see quickly. AUD is this strong. Let's go see. Let me see. 15 minutes is bullish. If 15 minutes is bullish, then we're gonna okay. Wow, this market should be buying. Actually, this is a dangerous one to choose because why? We are seeing momentum change hands. Okay, momentum is changing hands. So market is supposed to buy from here, and it's not buying, which means it's going to come to the 568. I may take a risky one at 568. What's the time? 49. So the next timing is o'clock. 568 AUD USD may be a light risk. So I'm going to take a light risk as 568. When you want to play hard. Okay. Let's go. Are you guys ready? So let me take this one out of our face, right? Because we're not looking at this right now, though it's the same price action. So you can see this candle, all right, this candle. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. Let's see if it's going to draw there. So both things are going to move the same way. Both trades are going to move the same way. We got, so this has opened a new candle. Come on, you're supposed to be moving now. If this new candle is not moving, then shit, market may still come down now. So on the 15 minutes, this guy is broken some structures. It's going now. It's moving away now. Okay, it's moving away, it's moving away, it's moving away, it's moving away. So honestly, I'll tell you, this trade will have a better move on timing. Or it's moving. If it doesn't move right now, it's going to have a better move on the o'clock. Okay, but it's actually moving out now. It's looking at you and I and it's telling us bye-bye. So you guys can actually set an alarm at 5:68. It's moving, okay, or it's going to come to. So that's what I do. If I'm not trading it now, I'm going to set it. Okay, it may come later. All right. So after this timing, after this trade, just go away right now, get into Forex and just give you guys what is our reversal point, and I'll be done with you guys. Does that make sense? Okay. So it's clearly moving away. You know, I'm still watching this guy. Something is making me still watch this guy. You know, sometimes in trading, it's not all market that are traded that you learn. Some you watch to see, all right, what happens in those areas. It's very, very important. They're sometimes very educative. Okay. So you can critically see how this market is fighting this area and how this market is fighting this area. They are both correlating. They kind of acting alike. So we have 7 more minutes to the timing. Let's see. So we have AUD USD at 568 or 545. That's the area. You see that it comes there or it doesn't. And I'm having a feeling it's not. It's hanging. I'm having a feeling like I should press a button here. So somehow AUD USD. Yeah, 566. Let's see if you're gonna come to 566. And we got just 6 more minutes. It's just hanging. Why are you hanging? Why are you hanging? So in 6 minutes, it should get here. If it doesn't get here, then probably the way this trade is doing, I'm having a feeling like it wants to stop. This 33 is USD. Let's see what that's changed. So don't forget USD. So market has gotten to my alarm. It means it's getting there pretty quick. 4 more minutes to go. It's there now. Okay, but we have 4 more minutes to go. So sometimes you just have to, You take your chances. Okay. Let's see if it comes back a little bit. Okay. I know there's something about this trade. So we got 4 more minutes to timing. That's broken that area, but I got in, light one. Okay. This trade may fall down, so don't be aggressive. Don't be emotional like USD Cado. All right, you guys don't play emotions like USD Cado. Just be patient. If you have to play low risk, you have to play light entry. All right, just be light. The better you play with the market, the more chances you have. Okay, this trade is probably going to move for the next 15 minutes. So another thing I can do is I can actually still take the trade for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm talking AUD USD. The AUD has dropped another 2%. So we got 2 more minutes. How many of you are ready to take the trade? Or you're scared to take the trade? Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait, I put two same pair and you guys are not talking. Oh, goodness. Yay. You guys have just been laughing at me. Oh, my. How come? Oh, boy. Oh. Oh, goodness. Why have I just been humiliating myself? What's wrong with me, Kenry? Kenry, why have you been humiliating yourself? Come on. Okay, even if they are same price action. Oh, goodness, God, I'm weak now. I'm just weak now. I'm weak at myself. Okay. So in the next 1 minute, so it's, oh, I'm totally weak, actually. You know, when you're waiting for something and you think you're waiting in the right position and it's just a different dimension. So there's not really a price action for us to take AUD USD. It's supposed to be either the close of the candle or the beginning of the candle. So 1 hour, I don't have anything. All right, let's see, 15 minutes. Let's see. Okay, we have an ending here. So I'm totally just weak. So if you guys took NZD, that's fine. So this guy, so let me give you guys can actually, it's in 47 seconds. In 47 seconds, you can actually take this guy for 15 minutes. Let's just see. I'm feeling, I'm not sure it's going to come down to 988. Okay, I'm not sure. Not sure. So, a week. So let's leave it. Let's leave it. You can take it at the close of the candle for 5 minutes or for 15 minutes. All right. So I'm just going to do and leave it. So we'll move into Forex. So I just took the trade. Okay. I'll leave it. I'll take it for 15 minutes as well. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just leave it 15 minutes. Boom. Okay, good. And I'll leave it. Let's move to Forex. Okay. So, you guys see money. You guys see money. So guys, let me leave here. So on Tuesday, I actually gave you guys, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I've been, but wait, is the mic off? Did I off? Hold on, let me see. Oh, I offed all the mic because of that's why someone did not actually remind me. Well, that's fine. Okay. So what did I tell you? After distribution, what happens? So these are the cycles. All right. Watch. So let me show you every cycle I explained. Okay. Are you guys still with me? All right. Are you guys still with me? Where is my screen? So this is what the markets looks like. Okay. So this is distribution, correction, continuation. Okay. Then it hits reversals, major area. What happens when it hits reversals? It consolidated for a while. It hit the reversal, it came back again. It means it came to peak. Then after that, what happens? Distribution. Okay, after distribution, there's always a correction to another zone. Then continuation to what? Reversals. So this is reversals. It moves, it comes back into the reversal again. It does distribution. Okay. So the next thing it's going to do is what? Correction. So that's probably going to be what? It's going to correct back here, then continue the distribution. Are you guys seeing the phase of what I'm talking about? 2-5 on the chart. So when you could and they all move with levels. 2-5 on the chart. So this market is so because here's a 50%. So if this market comes here, all right, you're likely going to be seeing what? Correction back up, just like it did here. Okay, you're likely going to be seeing correction back up. So watch out for that. Yeah. So that's a trade on. Okay, this zone is going to probably take market back. Now, it may take it here, then continue down because this is another form of distribution the market is giving right now. Okay, so when it's on momentum like this, does here may come back into the zone, then continue. But if it breaks this zone, then it's going to be up, 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 up. All right. So yeah, that is so this money was made. How many pips? Almost 100 pips on EU. 104 pips. Okay, and I gave you guys GU as well. What happened? The same way. I told you guys when we were here on Tuesday, I told you it's already gone. Just wait, let it break here, retest here, then there's going to be a continuation, or else it's going to come back into the zone. If it comes back into the zone, that's where you see a beautiful opportunity. And it did. And guess what? It did a distribution, but this time around, it was far, far more than that of EU. Oh, they are almost the same. Almost, this is 117. Okay. That's beautiful. So what are you expecting in this market? It's going to come into this zone. Okay, it's going to correct back into this zone. So this is a zone it was supposed to buy, but it broke it with the momentum. So if it comes back into the zone, which is, watch, this is now when you can trade the feed concept. Okay, because this is a low, this is a higher low. A market has given you two highs. So what are you looking for? 50% and 60%. And 60% happen to be what? A significant zone, all right, that it has played before. So that's good price action. That's understanding what? Market what? Cycle. So that's the next trade on what? GU. G is looking really very pretty. Okay. Am I making sense? 2-5 on the chart. Watch out for this area. If you could be patient for this type of moves, okay, you're going to be a better trader. What if he decides to go up Kendrick? It means he's trying to consolidate. This is the massage of the market. All right. If it comes here right now, that's correcting into this momentum. So you see this, okay? It's probably going to come back into that kind of do by 50%. Somewhere around here, it's probably going to move because this is 50% and 61.8. So it may move from here, which is almost 50% of the candle. That's onshore, all this type of onshore move. But I do know this zone is going to be very significant. So those are two entries areas on GU. You guys got that? Put I got that. All right, put 10 on the chart if you got that. So I put an alarm probably in the 50%. And let's watch out. So I know the trades I'm going to take next week, between now and next week. I know. So all I just need to do is wait. You know, what a lot of people don't do is they don't know how to wait. So that GU, NZD also, I also gave you guys NZD. I told you this area I was going to buy. All right. and it also distributed. So let's see. But this didn't distribute that long. What's this guy trying to do right now? What's this guy trying to do right now? Let's see. This is not my right momentum. This guy's going to buy from here. Still going to continue up. But it doesn't have the right price action yet. Okay, it may want to come back here again. All right. So this guy is late on the move. It may want to come back here again and may go up. All right. So I'm going to watch out for this move on NZD/USD. Okay, stop loss is going to be about 30 pips or 35 pips. Okay, and take profit is going to be all the way up here, 100. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to watch out for that. That's the next move, because this is a high consolidated, broke, does not retested. So if it does that, it's going to be good in the market. All right, so that's what I'm going to be watching out for NZD/USD at the 0.60551. You can actually write it down. So I'm just giving you trades you guys what. Imagine you have 1 or 2, 3 trades you're looking out for between now and next week. All you need to do is apportion your risk in this trade and you wait for them. Forget what happens in the day. Don't allow the market always call you when you don't prepare for the market. Okay. For every distribution, there's a correction and there's a continuation. I think this market is about this continuation right now. So how do you understand the continuation? Okay. I won't buy this market now, because this is, I'm supposed to have a place, just like I'm giving you a place to wait for it. So this broke, came back. All right. It didn't do up to 50%. So let's see what this guy did from here to here. Oh, it did 50. That's 50. Okay. You can see what happens. 50% of the time, it corrects back. Then it's supposed to break. If it doesn't break this right now, price has changed. Structure has changed. It means it's coming down. If it doesn't break this, it's coming down. So I now have to be looking out for what? Buy opportunities downwards. Which means if this guy is coming down, okay, and it breaks this 50% area, I can trap the market, look out for range. If it ranges, a confirmation that it still want to go down or decide to go up. But if it now breaks the range of this area and come back and retest it, then boom, I got myself what? I got myself a good trade. Are you guys with me? So that's what I'm looking at for, but this is already moving. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you guys got this. I made a mistake. So sheesh. And this market ate me last week. It cleaned me. USD/JPY cleaned me. I lost a lot of money in this market for this. I was actually selling it around here. So I'm just waiting out for a range. So right now it's ranging. So let me clean everything. You tried. So I'm cleaning everything. So where is this? I want to put the market here and see where it is. All right, where is this? Excuse me. So I'm trying to see where this market river. Oh boy. I told you every high. So it responded to this high. I think market is going down. But what it's going to do is still going to come back. So most times, so when can I sell this market? I'm going to watch this market come back. So if it comes back into this area, it may not, if it comes back into this area, I'm going to sell rapidly. And I'm going to sell down. This is a swing. It may do that again. Okay, because this is actually, man. It's too dangerous to get in on the sell now, but it's going to sell. Trust me. Okay. This is going to really, really sell. But where do I get in on the sell? It's either it breaks here. Okay. It's either it comes back into the zone, then you sell. Put your stop loss, very small stop loss. Don't have to give it, because anything outside, yes. There may be a weak out. But if it's going to weak out, it would have weak out with this candle. So It may not even get there again, but if it's getting close, maybe even from here, all right, if from this area, this close of this weekly candle, all right, you guys can start selling this market. If it happens today, God bless us. We're going to make a lot of money next week. But if it doesn't happen, then next week is going to set up. Okay, maybe Sunday night, maybe when you guys are sleeping, somehow this market is going to set up, and you will know that I reminded you, just like I gave you guys GU for every session. I keep giving you guys opportunities. All right, all you just need to do is just obey and start making money with them. So what is the risk we have with this? If we're shorting in this area, how many pips do we give? This 87 pips, 50 pips. This is 45 pips, so it's good. 40 pips, okay. 40 pips is good. Okay, to get, so this is TP1, 109. Okay, that's 2 to 7. Okay, this is TP2. Okay, that's 254. But this, if it swings here right now, it's going to break this. This is not your consideration. In fact, if you swing in that area, your consideration should be, where did I put it right now? Okay. Yeah. This is what you're looking out for. If it hits that area, it's going to create a lower low. So I think this is 2. You guys got this? That's a powerful trade I'm giving you guys again. All right. Imagine you you gave 40. I thought it was 40 pips. Okay, it moved. Imagine you invested $10 and you got $120. Wouldn't you like it? All right. So, guys, any questions so far? That's about my time with you guys. Any question, any currency, anything you guys want me to look at? Let's see. Okay. Hold on. Any question, you guys let me know on the chat. Any currency you guys want me to look at, let me know in the chat. I'm trying to manipulate something. Okay, you say I've been talking to you on chat. Oh, you say which trading platform do you use, Kendry? For what? Binary or Forex? Which pair is this? Just seeing the chart, not the pair. Okay, that's USD JPY. Entry price. Okay, let me share the market. So entry price is around 151.60, 596. So let me share the chart. Let me look at how it looks on 4 hour. My system is freezing a bit. Okay, good. I got it. Binary and Forex. So I use one prime option. Majorly, I use one prime option, but most of my team, they use pocket option. Okay, depending on the one that is good for you. Now, for Forex, I use 10Trade. Okay, it's a broker and it's also a prop firm. It offers the services of a prop firm, so you can literally buy capital with 10Trade. Okay, so that is that. So no question. It's been a privilege with you guys. Thank you for joining today. I'm going to see you students tomorrow on our session. Okay, I hope you guys appreciated the fact that we traded together and we learned. So most importantly, one of the things you guys understand in trading that people don't like the fact that they have to be both sides. The reason a lot of people lose in trading is they are not committed to the both side of trading, winning and losing. If you're not a faithful loser, you'll never be a success in trading. Okay. It means if you're not a grateful loser, you'll never be a grateful winner. You know, I see people's emotion when they come into trading, and when we lose, they frown. You actually lose when you frown because the loss was supposed to be a lesson. What happened? Okay. Market condition. It could be sentiment. It could be anything. Nothing is wrong with you. You did your right analysis. Market did not play the analysis, but you followed your risk and you committed to the market what the market was willing to take from you and what you were willing to give to it. Be grateful. Okay. Don't be among the people that are ungrateful, because the people that are ungrateful are those who had one expectation and those who were greedy. And if you fall into any of that category, your result is never going to be the same. I promise you. Okay. If you use the right, so I came into this market, I was, lose $500 and I lost $500. Why am I angry? Because I knew from the beginning I was going to commit $500. So if I stay and I don't lose more than $500, I'm grateful. I said, thank you. Because some people would lose more than, so I'm not in the category of those people. But if you begin to say, oh, $500, or this market, why did you take $500 from me? I was like, this is the money I was supposed to use to go and feed my children or do this. You're already dead. You are killing yourself. Just leave Forex. It's not for you. Can you trade FX on pocket option? I think it could be, but I don't. It could be. I think I heard it could be, but I don't trade it. So appreciate you. It's the attitude towards success that really brings out success. You cannot have the right skill and the wrong attitude and you expect the results. Okay. But guess what? You can have the right attitude and less of the skill, or even no skill, but leverage, you would get results. So which would you rather stay? I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys by 2 p.m. Okay. When I say you guys right now, I see the nation at 2